I defrost meat in 5 minutes. It's the perfect method when you're short on time and need to prepare dinner quickly. Usually, defrosting meat takes an hour or longer, especially when it comes to larger cuts like pork neck or loin, which need time before they're ready to fry or cook. But with this technique, you'll save a lot of time. You only need 2 ingredients that are easy to find in any kitchen. Pour half-a-gallon jug of room temperature water into a container. It should be neither hot nor warm, as high temperatures can start cooking the meat. Now add vinegar. The amount depends on how much meat you're defrosting. The more meat, the more vinegar. Then add a tablespoon of salt, which will help dissolve any residue and speed up the defrosting process. Mix everything, then submerge the frozen meat in the prepared water. It's important to place something heavy on the bag, like a mallet, to keep the meat submerged. Let it sit in the water for 5 minutes. After that, the meat should be fully defrosted. All thanks to simple ingredients like vinegar and salt. Simple, quick, and really effective. Now, you can start cooking right away.